What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 5 error, the CE-110024-8 PlayStation 5 network error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go, settings and network. Here's the view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get this error, network PSN account. If the server is not working, you simply wait. Sony will fix this up automatically. If the server is working up and good, then you just restart your router and set settings again, set up internet connection, forget the old one, connect a new one, and change the DNS settings to DNS 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4, MTU setting 1500 and OK. And the LAN cable, the same settings, you do it, the same DNS settings and press it OK. And restart your router and connect it again, it will be fixed. So simply that's how you can fix this one. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.